All right, YouTube, as always, like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell. You got a question, I'll get back at you. Ford with a 6.2. Cranks, but we won't start. Just crank, 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 crank. Okay? So, the very first thing you're going to want to do is check your fuses. There is a fuse relocation, okay? It's 20 right here. 20 amp. Right there is your fuel pump. That is going to be on the chart right there, number 27, as well as number 76, 20 amp right there. Both of those need to be in good order. That is your fuel pump relay right there. You will literally hear it click as you pull the 20 in and out if that is in good function. In most cases, you are going to pull that out and it's going to be burnt, or the fuse box itself will be damaged. If you get up into that point and all of that is working, which is what happened with mine, my fuse did not actually blow. I came down here, my pump had burnt contacts. Yes, I got to pull my pump apart because I was dealing with some end leads that were burnt up. Where's my old pump? I'll show you in a moment. I think it's over in my box, but you drop your tank and whatnot, and you may go in to do your pump, and you put everything back together, you got power, ground, the whole nine, and you realize it doesn't work. If you go back here, there is a fuel pump module. That is the control module, command module. 210s right here on top of the spare. You need to have power and ground in this location, as well as on your plug up in here, power and ground. Now there's plenty of room and slack off of your fuel tank pressure sensor for there. You must have power and ground. Power, ground. If you have power ground, everything works through the whole circuit, your relay is clicking, but you go to turn your pump on and it will not prime. Your fuel pump control module is not working. The nice thing about this, you can get one for very cheap, plug it in right here and let it hang. The pump will prime instantly and you'll know. So if you go down all these steps, follow that step by step until you eliminate down to that problem. In my particular instance, the module took a crack, the pump leads were burnt up, and I had a fuse blown also that is non-direct to this system that I almost forgot about. Is in here. Sorry, car's way up in here. In there, very bottom, BCM number 10, all the way to the bottom. Pull the lid off, all the way on the bottom, the 10 on the very most bottom left is the fuse. If all of those are in proper condition and your pump won't prime when you turn the key on, the module's smoked.